kailangan po bang magbilang ng calories? So, generally speaking, sa low-carb lifestyle, we don't really focus on the calories. Importante yan later on. For example, if you are concerned about wasting, yung masyadong nangangayayat sa paglo-low carb. But if you are after ng disease reversal, don't worry so much about the calories at this point. First, address yung inyong excess na carbohydrate intake. Start following the food guide. Eat clean. And then, tingnan po ninyo kung kailangan pa talagang ayusin yung calorie intake later na po yan. Kung kailangan i-refine or if you're worried about yung wasting. Pero kung pag-uusapan lamang po yung disease reversal, we don't really look at yung calorie intake. At least not in the beginning po. Focus po muna on eliminating all processed food. Focus muna on lowering your net carb content for the day. And you will find po that it's really possible to do disease reversal even without counting calories po.